Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on your Atlassian account. Now once you're inside your Atlassian account, guys, you want to click your profile on the upper right hand side, then click on account settings, right? You can also access your account settings right at your home here or your for you section here. You have account settings, you can click on that, and it's going to also take you here. Now here you'll find your details here about your profile, and you will also see your picture. If you have a picture or initial that is there, you can simply click on that and choose the picture. So here you can see that it gives me the option to change my profile picture because I already have something. If I didn't, it will only show, for example, an initial or something like that. But in this case, I'm going to simply add a profile picture or change the profile picture. So all you have to do is a simple drag and drop a photo that you have, or simple click and upload, and you want to find where you have that photo on your computer. So let's say I have one here. I'm going to simply select this one here, and I'm going to choose the picture. And let's say this is the picture I want to use. Simple click and upload. You also have the option to adjust it, guys. So you can use this little slider here to adjust how you want your picture to look. So let's say I want mine to look like this, just like that. Select it like that, adjust it, and simple click and upload. And that's all that I have to do, guys. You will see in a second that it's uploaded, it's changed, and that's my profile picture. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple, guys.